most of the people out there always complain about not being lucky in life. They say that I don't have that luck factor. I always have to do hard work to achieve whatever I want in my life. If you are that kind of a person, or if you know someone who is that kind of a person, please watch this video till the end. I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 secrets to increase your luck factor. Hi, friends. My name is Sagar Badane. I'm a life and business clarity coach, and I help entrepreneurs move to the next level in their life using the clarity process. Okay, so let's dive in today's topic. Let me share the screen with you. I'm going to be explaining you with the help of a mind map today. Okay, so the 3 secrets to increase your luck factor. What are the 3 secrets? Let's see. Before I share these 3 secrets with you, I want to share with you that when I was researching about this topic, I wanted to get it as simple as I can, as much clarity as I can into this topic of luck factor. So, when I looked at all the top achievers in almost every field, whether it be arts, whether it be business, whether it be sports, all of them had this, they agreed on this one sentence that luck is when preparedness marries with opportunity. Okay, when you're prepared for opportunities to come into your life. Okay, now what I have done is I have simplified this in these 3 secrets. Okay, the number one secret: be prepared to recognize opportunities. Okay, now we know that yes, opportunities are those things which help us move ahead in life. Okay, but have you heard people say that, okay, I had this opportunity, but I was not able to recognize this? See, my friend recognized this opportunity, and now today he's so much successful. Why do people miss on recognizing opportunities? Okay, how can people miss on recognizing opportunities? It happens because they don't have the clarity of destination. Now let's look at it with the help of this analogy. I believe that opportunity is like a super fast vehicle which is going to help you speed up your journey towards your destination, right? Like, when do you say that people are lucky? That some person was lucky because he got this opportunity, he grabbed that opportunity, and very fast he became successful. That success, whatever you are calling that success, is the destination where that person wanted to go. And at that point of time, that person recognized this opportunity and made use of it. So the first step comes here is that you need to recognize the opportunity, and for that the basic requirement is that you need to have the clarity of your destination. Okay, see, I have written here clarity of destination. If I don't know where I'm going, I won't understand when opportunities come and go. Okay, it will be just another thing. I won't know. Okay, if I have clarity of direction, clarity of my end goal, I would say. Okay, if I have the clarity of my end goal, where I actually want to go, I will be able to, understand which is the fastest way to get there, which is the best opportunity which I can utilize. If any such opportunity comes in front of me, I'll be able to recognize it very clearly if I have the clarity of my destination. Okay, so the first secret is be prepared to recognize opportunities. And for that, you need to have clarity of your destination, clarity of your goals. Okay, and I highly recommend you have your life clarity blueprint done. Okay, this is a specific blueprint that I help my clients with. I help them prepare this life clarity blueprint in all areas of life. They understand what exactly they want from life, how to get there, and everything gets covered into that. Okay, so but you have clarity of your goals or your destination. That's the first secret. Second, be prepared to grab opportunities. Okay, now we say this, like, we need to grab opportunities. That person grabbed that opportunity at that right time. How do you think someone grabs something? For you to grab something, let's say for you to grab your mobile phone in your hand, okay, what do you need? You need the ability to do that. Okay, you need to be able to grab that opportunity. Okay, what defines that ability? The ability, the competency to do that. What are the elements of that competency? Okay, first, there are 3 elements. Competency comprises of your attitude first. Okay, in this case, in opportunities case, your attitude of curiosity. Are you curious enough for opportunities? Okay, do you have that courage? Okay, do you have that courage that if some opportunity comes in front of you, you will take that calculated risk? You will take you will work on that opportunity by taking the calculated risk, and even you are ready to make mistakes. You are ready to fail in that thing. Okay, that's very important. I've not seen many people talk about this. Very few people talk about this. Okay, you need to be ready to fail. Okay, so one of my mentors says that fail fast, fail forward. Other one says fail fast, fail differently. And now I have figured out that if you need to go ahead in life, okay, you need to be ready to accept failures. Okay, I'm not saying you keep an eye on failure, that how will I fail? Don't look out for failure, but you need to be ready to accept failures. Like if you fail, fail fast. Okay, don't wait for a long time, but fail forward. Okay, and the best way to fail forward is, like the other mentor says, is fail differently. Okay, fail fast, fail forward, fail differently. Okay, I've combined both. Okay, so you need to be ready, you need to have that courage to do that. That's the attitude that I'm asking for. Okay, third one, do you have that confidence? Okay, do you have that confidence that yes, if I take on this opportunity, I'll be able to do it, I will be able to do that. Where does that confidence come from? It comes from your past experiences. It comes from your skills. Do you have those skills required? Okay. Now you know what your forte is, what your work is. You know where you want to go in life. You need to have some skills to do that. Okay. How do you learn those skills? How do you learn those skills? By taking the right knowledge. Okay, and this is the basic element, the basic required competency, friends. You need to keep on learning and evolving. Okay, I always talk about this bucket. Okay, this bucket of knowledge that you have, whatever information and knowledge that you have in your industry, in your work, whatever it is, this bucket has a hole in it. Okay, and this hole is what I call the hole of obsolescence. Your knowledge is getting obsolete day by day, because new inventions are coming in, new simpler ways are getting discovered of doing things. Okay, so you need to fill in that bucket continuously. You need to remember that I should never stop learning and getting better in life. So this is the third competency, and the most important one. Do you have the knowledge? Are you looking out for that knowledge? Okay, are you learning new things in life? Okay, this knowledge will develop skills. Again, it will help you develop a great attitude. All are all go hand in hand with each other. Attitude, skills, and knowledge all go hand in hand with each other. Okay, if you develop one, the other two gets developed. Third secret. Okay, so the second secret was be prepared to grab opportunities. Okay, are you competent enough? The third secret, be there where opportunities are. As simple as that. Okay, many people say, I'm not getting opportunities in my life. This friend got that opportunity, that person got that opportunity, but I am not getting those opportunities. Friends, if you want to get fresh air, okay, if you want to see nature, what do you have to do? If you want to experience the fresh air, the freshness of nature, what do you need to do? You need to go out in the nature. You can't do that by sitting in your room. As simple as that. You need to be there where opportunities are. Where do people get these opportunities normally? Who gives opportunities? Let's do it as simple as we can. Who gives us opportunities? Some other people, other human beings give us opportunities. As simple as that. So for other human beings to give you opportunities, you need to hang around with people who can be a good source of opportunities for you. What I mean to say is you need to network. Okay, use the power of networking. Okay, build relationships is the secret for networking. Okay, I'm going deep down. The best known secret for networking, good networking, is build strong relationships. Okay, it's not a one day game or a 1 month game. You have to do it continuously. You have to it's like farming. Networking is like farming, not hunting. You need to farm, you need to sow the seeds, you need to water it, you need to take care of that small plant, and then it grows into a tree. Okay, it's very important to understand that we need to be there where opportunities are, and not only be there consistently. Be there consistently. Okay, be consistent and persistent in the actions that you are taking. Okay, so I hope you got these three simple secrets. Be prepared to recognize opportunities, be prepared to grab opportunities, that is develop your competency, be there where opportunities are, that is network properly, be there, help people. Okay, build relationships. whatever is required to be there. Have a strong presence on the channels where your customer is. Okay, don't you think you will get a little bit more luckier in life? Okay, I think this is going to shoot up your luck factor. Okay, this is going to increase your luck factor big time. If you think so, if you feel that by utilizing these three things you will get luckier in life, type I feel lucky in the comment section below this video, and I will understand that you have accepted these three things and you're going to implement these three things in your life. Because I always say this, it's not just about information, it's about transformation. I want you to transform and again come back to this video, that anything that you utilized from this video, implemented it in your life, and you got some amazing results, please come back and comment it over here. Okay, and I will be more than happy to specially personally congratulate you. See you in my next video. This is Sagar Badane, life and business clarity coach. Bye bye. Namaste.